Have you ever felt bored at school, unmotivated, like what you're learning has no real point or connection to the real world? Have you ever wondered why students are graded on memorization instead of skills, the stuff that actually matters? Why sitting quietly and following instructions is valued more than critical thinking, questioning ideas, or challenging the norm? You're not alone, and you're not wrong. Most of us were educated in a system built for a different world, an industrial world, designed to create workers that were compliant, not curious, where learning was boxed into timetables instead of being connected to the world. And learning was seen as something to endure instead of something to ignite a fire. We've been led to believe that real learning only happens inside four walls and looks quiet, controlled, and orderly, measured in worksheets and grades. But classrooms were meant to serve learning, not learning to serve classrooms. Because learning should be alive, it should prepare us for life, not the next test, filled with curiosity, innovation, and purpose. That's why we created Learning Made Fun. Yes, we make fun educational videos, but we're more than that. We're rethinking what learning can be by providing you with alternatives that are project-based, skills-focused, and connected to the real world. Hands-on STEAM, problem-solving, collaboration, creativity, learning that values the process over the product, curiosity over compliance. This isn't just content, it's a different way of thinking about learning. This is Learning Made Fun.